Hi, my name is Kimatina, and this screencast will show you how to invite your students into Google Classroom via the invite link and post it into your Oncourse Classroom as a link. So you need to first create your Google Classroom. After you do that, you're going to click on the gear button. And in the gear button is the settings, and you're going to scroll down to the general section. And in the general section, there's a new feature here for the invite link. So I can use this invite link to have students join my classroom. So I'm going to click on the copy invite link icon here, and that copies the link to the clipboard. Now I'm going back into my OnCourse classroom. And for the sake of confidentiality, I am not going to show you every single thing here because this is real data. So I have things set up where it will block out the student names. So once you log into OnCourse, you need to go to Classroom, click on your Classes and Groups tab, and then click on your class. From this point here, you're going to click Add Resources. This is what I would recommend. You would click Add Resources, and then this window will show up. Click on the icon that allows you to insert a web link. And when you click on that, you will be able to paste. So you can do a Control V on the keyboard or right click and select Paste. And you can enter a display name here. And then you would click Add Link. And when you click Add Link, it will attach that link to this resource. And when you're done, there will be a button here that says Add Resource. And again, I'm not going to move this window because this window is blocking student data. Just know that there is a button here that will allow you to add this resource to your OnCourse classroom. Make sure your kids click on this link and they will be added into your Google Classroom. I hope you find this screencast helpful.